Alright, welcome once again to my channel. This is my home hacks, the channel where I bring you a lot of DIY, do it yourself at home, repair, maintenance, house cleaning, and so on and so forth. So today we want to deal with another problem with the top load washing machine. We have a top load washing machine here. As you can see, this is a top load system, a 5 kg top load washing machine, the washing tub, and then the spinning tub to remove the water from the clothes. Now, when you have a top load washing machine, that you turn it on and the machine, quite alright, is working, but the washing tub does not spin, so it cannot wash. But you know that the machine is working. So what's the problem? So that's what we are going to deal with today with this machine. Let's follow along. Just watch the video to the end so that you can learn how to fix it yourself. You can do it yourself at home. Fix the problem with the washing machine. Alright. See the machine? So let's test it and see what happens. Whether it will work, whether it will spin. We'll check that one now. So now we want to test the machine and see what happens. Okay. You can see that the machine has started working. It is working, but the spinning top is not moving at all. No movement. Even though the washing machine is working. No movement. No movement. We start to check the system of the washing machine. What happens? First thing is to open the back cover of the machine to know what really happened. Move the back. Jack is still open. Jack it open. Alright. So you can see the inside, the inner working. You see the motors. So what we want to do is to work with the motor in here that connects the washing tub. That connects the washing tub. The motor is right there and it's working, but the spinner is not moving in order to wash. So I can figure out what the problem is. The belt is intact. The pulley on the spinning head of the washing tub is very slack. Can you see? There's a plastic pulley. Can you see that? The way it is shaking. Probably it has been removed or disconnected from the spinning head, and that's what we're going to fix. That's what we're going to deal with today. But the position is very hard to access. The pulley head is very hard to access, so we need to remove the cover here. The bottom cover here should be opened in order to access that pulling the pulley on the spinning head of the washing tub. Let's see how we do that. So we the bottom cover in order to expose the working system over there. Alright. Alright, we remove the screws. There are several screws. And this is what the problem is. You can see what the problem is right here. The pulley is very slack and it cannot roll the spinning head of the washing tub any longer. Can you see the pulley? Very slack. And the locking system for the pulley is rusty. And that's what the problem is. You can see how it is shaking. Alright. So we need to fix this pulley to be firm. Once this pulley is firm, then we have a working system. Unless the pulley can be fixed. That is it. It has gone out of position. You can see. You can see that. You can see that. Very slack, and then it's almost removed. You can see the way I removed it. Here is the pulley, and then the locking system was rusty, and we need to fix that. Remove the rust and fix the pulley back. We fix the pulley back to its position, and it's very rusty, and that's what the problem is. It does not lock the spinning tub. Here is the spinning tub, but was not well locked in any longer. So what we do is to sandpaper, clean all the rust away. We will try to remove all the rust by using sandpaper. We need to apply some lubricating oil in order to get the locking screws to be working again. The locking screw is rusty, and that's where the problem is. The locking screw is rusty. So to get it working again, to unscrew it and screw it back firmly on the shaft, that's the main job. It is rusty, highly rusty. So we leave this oil for some time, for a long period, after which we try to unscrew it. What we can also do is to tap it a little bit gently with hammer. Tap the screw a little bit with hammer in order to slacken it from the rust. Then we want to try to unscrew it. We can unscrew it, then we screw it back firmly on the shaft. It's moving a little bit. It's moving. It's moving, but it's very rusty. If it can be unscrewed and be screwed back firmly on the shaft, then the work is done. That is intention. That is our intention. If we can unscrew this and screw it back firmly on this shaft, then the washing tub will come back to normal. The spinning head of the washing tub. So the major work we need to do here is to get the screwing system for this pulley to the shaft to work. Now if the one that is there right now cannot work, we need to find another one to replace it, because as it is highly rusty, and then if we can unscrew it, there is high possibility that it will not be screwed back and be firm on this shaft. So our intention is to get it out and replace it if possible. Without that, the spinning head of the washing tub will not function. After leaving the oil for some time and tapping it, the screw is unlocked, though hard, but has been unlocked. As you can see, the plier can actually move it. So what we want to do next is to clean the screw, run it very well, and then screw it back firmly to its position. That's our intention. So with very good lubrication, we were able to screw it out and in. You can see that now. With very good lubrication, we are able to screw it. See that? Screwed in and out. As you can see that. So we're going to couple it back onto the shaft and make sure that it is well screwed, and that's what will make the washing tub to function again. This is the pulley that's making it to function. Unless it is firmly screwed to the shaft here, it cannot work well. So that's our aim. Alright, so after working on it, we want to install it back into position to see whether the old locking mechanism will still work. As you can see, it is screwing, but for it to be so firm on the shaft, that is the intention. So we want to put it back there and lock it. We can lock it so firmly, then we achieve our aim. Hopefully it will work. So we will try to put the belt back to its position. When the motor gets back to the position, then we install the belt. The belt has been installed into position. It remains to put the cover back to its normal location. The spinning motor has 3 holding set darts. Alright, this is in position. So we screw the cover back, then we try to test the work. So now we want to test it whether it's working. Can you see our work? Can you see our work right here? Can you see that? Can you see that? That's our work. Perfect. Working well. So we're able to fix that. So we're going to close up the back now. So I want to cover it now. Cover the back again. Job has been done. It's a job well done. Don't forget to like and share the video. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. Until another time, I say bye bye.